Hello guys, so in this video we'll be talking about the integer types in the Kotlin. So the integer type comes in the four different sizes: byte, short, int and long. So we will be using the different type based upon the range. Like if we have the range in between -128 and 127, then we can use the byte. If the range is between these values, then we can use short, and similarly for int and long. And also, if you see here, we can specify the variable without actually specifying the data type. So this is called as a type inference in Kotlin. uh, we can have type inference. That means the compiler itself can find the data type based upon the value which it was assigned. Here the variable 1 was assigned 1. So based upon this value, the Kotlin compiler itself will able to figure out what is the data type and assigns that data type to this variable. And similarly, if you can see here, this is 3 billion, which is exceeding the limit of an integer. So the compiler itself has figured out that this belongs to long, and it will assign this variable 3 billion the data type of long. And we can also explicitly specify a value as long by appending L at the end of the value. And based upon our values, like the number value, we can give them byte, short, int and long. So let us see this in the IDE. Have copied. Let us see there. Here we can see that the value here we did not specify any kind of data type for this. So let's see what the data type that the Kotlin compiler has inferred. So the compiler has inferred this value to be int. So we can see that if the range is between these values, then the Kotlin compiler infers that data type to be int. So the one is inside this range, these two values, hence it was inferred as integer. And this way is out of range of the integer, so this will be long. So we can see that here it was inferred as long. And these data types are like kind of optional when we are initializing. That means when we are giving the value, they are optional. You need not to provide, the compiler itself will figure out. And as we can see here, we are appending 1. Here 1, if you see, when we say 1, this will not be long. You can see that. So this will be integer. But if we want to specify explicitly this as long for some reason, we can append L, and now this inferred will be long. You can see that. And for using the byte, we need to specify as a byte, and we need to specify the value. The byte range is between -127 and 128. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.